Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Deputy Commissioner Jangari Bhoi District Abhilash Baranwal habakran jekilat pathai kubor mentakasngi kakhat pratarik uleber arja apusan ulapan bena malapenjari ya ka hukum lingbaga section chispa nrupulai jangka bharatiya nayaya sanhita banpenrkhing bat Khanglad halor ka Jingthang Dusmon ya ki Khlaw ki betap ki bahab hapo ka district Ute uhe ka district ulapan pau baka Jingthang lumar ya ki Khlaw ki betap khamtam kumhakani kapor jong ka ayom terkhong bat jurle air ka khata shikat de ya kamaryang ki barat ki mereng ka jing imbrio bat ru ya ka jing khut jong ka air ban pentre kam ya ka ne ka hukum labatha ya ka office jong divisional forest officer social forestry bat ka soil and water conservation ban pelong ya ka jing pet ngor ka bajur bat kenturu ya ki ni kitna tre kam sarkar bakindon ya ka jing tre kam lang ka bayajan ban pentre kam bha ya ka ne ka hukum nikir pat ru ya baro kirang basnong bakin shimkya ya ka ne kamat ban ai ka jing tre lang ringkat bat ki bor penya district kinu ki badan khti ban thang Dusmon ya ki Khlaw ki betap de ban wat ya ki bat pentep sheki bor badekmi bat ki bor pulit ulong Abhilash Baranwal shu Abhilash Baranwal ula banjur ru badetang lingba ka jing shimkya lang jong kinong yelam shnong kitna tre kam sarkar ki badekmi ya ka ni ka benta ba onla bante lakam ya ki Jingthang Dusmon ya ki Khlaw ki betap kumshi benta banyada ya ka jingjot jang kamaryang ki marat ki mereng batru ya ka jing embrio
Things to be place there. Open up dingy.
The deliberate burning of forests in this dry season is a major problem faced by the district, as a result of which the district administration has issued an order under section 163 of the BNS, wherein we have prohibited all the deliberate burning of forests within the jurisdiction of the Bhoi district. This we have done to protect forest regeneration, simultaneously to protect the lives of humans and wildlife, and simultaneously to prevent air pollution from taking place. The two departments which have been made responsible to enforce the same are the DFO Social Forestry as well as Soil and Water Conservation Office. However, we have also requested them to take all the local authority, that is the headmen and the Rangbashnongs of the village, into confidence. We appeal to all the headmen and the Rangbashnongs that they should cooperate with the district administration. They should take this issue seriously, and those people who are burning down the forest for whatever reasons, they should be, the headmen should inform the concerned authorities who are responsible for implementation of this order, and they should report to the local police as well. With the cooperation of the local authorities only, we hope that the forest fire burning can be controlled to some extent in order to protect the lives of humans and wildlife together.